Hey YouTube, this is my tutorial on how to open a bag of chips. What you're going to need is your typical bag of chips, pencil, scissors, and one of these things to clip the bag up. So, first thing you want to do is, for a regular bag of chips, you can normally just rip them like this. Huh. Okay, this is odd. Maybe you gotta cut it. I'll use this good end. This is my preference. It doesn't really matter. See if I can get it now. It's really pissing me off, guys. I don't know. Perfect. Okay, so now that the bag of chips is open, you gotta get all the air out of them, so it's all just the chips. And then you wanna reach in. Oh, hole's not big enough. Okay, what you wanna do? You wanna reach in. You wanna grab a chip. I was able to get some out, as you can see here. You just wanna eat the chips. Maybe if I tear it a little, I could get the bigger chips out. Oh, well, that works too. See, now you can just grab them out and eat them whole, which is great, which is really good when you want to eat more than one chip at a time. So,